Hi, and welcome to the Enterprise Connect show floor. I'm Eric Kraft, General Manager of Enterprise Connect and co-chair of the Enterprise Connect program. I'm here with Doug Suriano, General Manager and Senior Vice President at Oracle Communications. Welcome, Doug.
Thank you, Eric.
You were just on the keynote stage, and we appreciated your talk there. Talking about Oracle's moves into the communication space and communication enabling Oracle applications. And I just to kind of review and some of the key points, you mentioned there are kind of four pillars that are undergirding what Oracle is doing with communications enabling your applications. Can you tell us about those?
Yeah, those four are really around networks, employees, customers, and services. So under the network side, we're really focused on helping our customers with the infrastructure they need to get to all IP-based networks, to get their unified communications more modernized, to reduce their cost, and really be able to increase their capability around voice, video, text, and around unified communications in general. On the employee front, this is really helping our customers put together a messaging, an email, presence, and a true messaging infrastructure to allow them to collaborate more efficiently within their organizations. Also, we see that the federation of disparate UC applications across multiple vendors is a problem that they're having right now, especially as they expand into new applications. And we help to be the glue in the center, whether it's with APIs or whether it's with our unified communications infrastructure to allow the inner UC communication to happen. The inner op, I guess, is the big play there. Thirdly, we're helping our customers reach their customers with more rich applications. So I talked about enabling enterprise applications, whether they're in the cloud or whether they're on-premise, with applications like real-time video. I used the example of an insurance company that allows one of their clients who's just had a car accident to, via WebRTC, in real-time video the scene of the accident while they're calling with their initial claim to get the process started quickly. That's the kind of things we're helping. We're also helping with our service cloud, and when a customer buys an application, a customer service application in the Oracle Public Cloud, we offer them a WebRTC interface that allows them to have real-time video or voice communication, text communication, email communication with them seamlessly in a cloud architecture. And then finally, we are providing services to customers, and this is something you don't really find with a vendor in the UC space, and that's being able to provide the infrastructure to monetize these services. So the billing infrastructure. A lot of our enterprise customers have websites. They sell products on those websites, and being able not only enable with real-time communication, but actually monetize the back end of those purchasing transactions we do as well. So it's a lot of the infrastructure and applications we have in the service provider space we're able to actually move and use in the enterprise space as well.
And one of the main points you made in your keynote was this is all through the cloud. The cloud is a big initiative at Oracle.
Absolutely. So Oracle is really moving our business 100% to the cloud. Obviously we have lots of customers who use a license model on-premise right now, but everything we're doing new going forward, whether it's R&D or whether it's new customer acquisition, and also transitioning existing customers who want to reduce their total cost of ownership, really want to reduce their operational costs, really want to get to a faster speed of innovation with new capabilities. We're just asking them to move to the cloud. They see the benefits of it. Typically they'll try one application, they'll see the benefits, and then there's 592 behind it to follow. So we're all about not only as a company moving all of our applications to a SaaS model, but communication enabling all of those applications with the same SaaS model.
And then finally, you made a very interesting comment near the end of your talk where you, addressing yourself to the enterprise folks in our audience, the communications people, you asked, are you at the table, kind of in the context of this integration with your applications and your business? How do you, if you're not at the table or you don't think you're at the table always when you should be, how does an enterprise person get at the table, or how do you get into that?
Yeah, that's
role?
that's a really good question. So I brought that point up because I know the audience that I was speaking to today, they're nervous, right? Anytime you talk about the cloud, you talk about jobs going away. At least that's what they talk about. It's really, we're reducing cost, we're reducing operational costs is really, I think, but a lot of that operational cost not only comes in the hardware and power and cooling of data centers, but it's people. And so I know when I talk to customers about these new capabilities, there's a handful of folks in the room that are saying, yeah, if I do that, I know my job's going away, right? But so my pitch to them is really, how do you become more relevant to your enterprise? And the story that I give them is, you have all these enterprise applications. Imagine what you can do when you move, when the IT guys and the enterprise applications guys are talking about moving these apps to the cloud or even on premise. How can I come alongside you to communication enable those applications with our communications infrastructure? How do I move our communications infrastructure from being kind of a point solution for voice or video or text or email into now fully integrated to the enterprise applications, not only for internal use but also for our customers? That's a real business adder that you can provide as a communication professional in the enterprise.
Well, Doug Suriano, thank you very much for being here. Thanks for sitting
down
with us.
My pleasure.
And good luck with Oracle.